Arrow Ford, Incorporated has over 46 years of combined experience, offering great customer service and quality vehicles at a competitive price. We have a top-of-the-line service department and dealership for all of your automotive needs. We are here for you during and after your purchase. Arrow, the right choice. Now more than ever. www.arrowdealerships.com